go to air shows with their aircraft and stuff like that.
Here it comes. Or not? No, it's going the other way. What is it doing?
You guys go to World War II weekend at all?
I've heard that's really great.
We got a heck of a lot of really unique stuff.
You say you're from Reading?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the tour
Hey,
guide
watch
at the
out.
Atlantic Air Museum.
Okay. Yeah, we live out in Bethel, so we
Oh, okay.
come to the Reading Christmas in there every year now for a while.
World War II weekend.
Well, maybe. It's on our calendar.
We got to do it this year. We got Doc D29. We got the Military Aviation Museum's ME-262 jet, which, I mean, that speaks for itself. And then Jimmy Stewart